So Prabhupada wanted the devotees to know, this is the prayojana, Ras Lila. This is the prayojana, Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari. So I may go, I'm old man, I'm 70 years old, but you must have the Krishna book, and you must have Nectar Devotion. Which means these books are essential books. They Nectar Devotion teaches that tattva, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, teaches the tattva of love. Love is composed and made of different feelings and emotions. It's a hero and a heroine, nayak and nayak. That's a vibhav. Then there's stimulants and excitants to love. That's the udipan. Then there's feelings that arise in the heart and mind, which are expressed voluntarily, anubhav, or involuntarily, sattvic bhav. Then there's waves that come up in both places, and in the sattvic bhav and anubhav, different anxieties and fears. And so that all these are aspects and components of nourishing love. We're working with this, and we're experiencing this and tasting this in our loving dealings. If you